To use autofilters to filter data, select any cell in the data and click the Data tab, then click Filter. Click the Filter drop-down in column AG, Purchase Status, and select Filter. In the list, only select Frequent and click OK. Click the Filter drop-down in the column AG and click Clear Filter from Purchase Status. Click the Filter drop-down in column AE, T-Type, and select Filter. In the list, only select Cancelled and click OK. Click the Filter drop-down in column AF, Purchase Time Touchpoint, and select Filter. In the list, only select Desktop and click OK. On the Data tab, click Clear. To use custom filters to filter data, click the Filter drop-down in column AD, Order Value, then Number Filters Top 10. Change the value from 10 to 50 and click OK. Click the Filter drop-down in the column AD and click Clear Filter from Order Value. Sorting data on the Data tab, click Custom Sort to open a dialog box like below. Click the column drop-down of row Sort By. Select Order Ship Date. Click the Order drop-down of row Sort By. Select Sort Ascending. Click Add. Click the column drop-down of row Then By. Select Order Value. Click the Order drop-down of row Then By. Select Sort Descending. Click OK.